Today's upcoming episode of Pati Brahmachari is going to leave viewers emotional from beginning to end. The latest promo hints at a heartbreaking separation, painful decisions, and shocking promises that could completely change the future of Suraj and Isha's relationship. The bond they fought so hard to protect is now standing on the edge of collapse, and one emotional conversation is about to decide everything. The episode begins with Suraj standing silently in front of Isha. Both of them have tears in their eyes, but neither knows how to express the pain they are feeling. The atmosphere is filled with sadness as Suraj finally gathers the courage to speak. He tells Isha that every hidden truth has now been revealed. There are no more secrets between them, and there is nothing left for him to hide. However, instead of bringing peace, the truth has only created more distance between their hearts. Suraj explains that he has spent a long time thinking about his future. Every decision he made in the past was based on the hope of giving his family a better life. Becoming an IAS officer was once his biggest dream, and he believed that achieving it would solve every problem. But reality turned out to be far more painful than he had ever imagined. According to Suraj, every step towards success came with a terrible sacrifice. He lost precious relationships, trust began to disappear, and the people closest to him slowly drifted away. The happiness he expected never arrived. Instead, he was left carrying guilt, loneliness, and countless painful memories. Looking directly into Isha's eyes, Suraj admits that he can no longer continue living that life. He says that the ambitious man she once believed in has disappeared forever. From this day forward, he wishes to live only as Dada Bhai. Those words completely shock Isha. She struggles to understand why Suraj is giving up everything they once dreamed about together. She cannot believe that the man who inspired her with hope has suddenly accepted such a heartbreaking future. Suraj gently tells her that he is not asking for sympathy. Instead, he is asking her to make a choice. If she truly loves him, she must accept him exactly as he is today, without expecting him to become the person he used to be. But if she cannot accept this new reality, she has every right to leave. He tells her that he will never force her to stay in a relationship filled with pain, doubt, and unanswered questions. Then comes the moment that changes everything. Suraj slowly looks at the Mangal Sutra around Isha's neck. With a heavy heart, he tells her that if she no longer believes in their relationship, then the Mangal Sutra has lost its meaning. He says she is free to remove it and walk away forever. The words hit Isha like a storm. For a few moments, she cannot even breathe properly. Every memory begins flashing before her eyes: the day they first met, the promises they made, the dreams they shared, and every difficult situation they faced together. She remembers standing beside Suraj when no one else believed in him. She remembers trusting him even when the entire world questioned his intentions. Now, the same man is asking her to let everything go. Tears slowly begin rolling down her face. She wants to stop him. She wants him to change his decision. She wants to believe that everything can still be fixed. But Suraj's expression tells her that his decision is final. Neither of them speaks. The silence between them becomes more painful than any argument. Finally, with trembling hands, Isha reaches for the Mangal Sutra around her neck. She closes her eyes for a brief moment, silently remembering every beautiful memory attached to it. Then, fighting back her tears, she slowly removes it. The emotional moment leaves everyone speechless. For Isha, this is far more than removing a sacred symbol of marriage. It feels as though she is removing a part of her own heart. Suraj watches her in complete silence. Although he tries to remain strong, his eyes reveal the pain he has been hiding all along. He knows that watching Isha suffer is breaking him from within. Yet he refuses to stop her because he believes this sacrifice is necessary. But the heartbreak does not end there. After removing the Mangal Sutra, Isha quietly walks toward her room. She begins packing her belongings. Every item she places inside her bag reminds her of another beautiful memory she shared with Suraj. The house that once felt full of love now feels completely empty. Family members watch helplessly as Isha prepares to leave. No one has the courage to stop her. Everyone understands that this separation is the result of misunderstandings, painful sacrifices, and hidden truths that have remained buried for far too long. Finally, carrying her luggage, Isha walks toward the main door. Before leaving, she turns around one last time. She looks at Suraj with tears in her eyes. Her voice shakes with emotion, yet her determination remains stronger than ever. She tells him that from today onward, she no longer considers him her husband. Instead, she says she will fight against Dada Bhai until justice is served. She promises that one day she will make sure he stands behind bars. Her words echo throughout the house. Everyone is left completely shocked. Suraj remains silent. He does not argue. He does not defend himself. He simply watches the woman he loves walk out of his life. As the door closes behind her, Suraj is left standing alone with nothing except painful memories. But this heartbreaking separation may only be the beginning. The upcoming episodes are expected to reveal an even bigger conspiracy. The minister's hidden crimes, along with the dark secrets of several corrupt police officers, may finally be exposed. As each secret comes into the light, the truth behind Suraj's decisions could completely change everyone's perspective. There is a strong possibility that Suraj has been protecting someone all along. If that hidden truth finally comes out, Isha may realize that everything she believed was only one side of the story. She may discover that Suraj never stopped loving her. He simply chose to carry the burden alone. Will Isha regret leaving his house? Will she return before it is too late? Or will fate push them even further apart? At the same time, powerful enemies continue planning their next move. If the minister realizes that the truth is about to be exposed, he may become even more dangerous. New betrayals, shocking revelations, emotional confrontations, and unexpected alliances could completely transform the story in the coming episodes. One thing is absolutely certain. The love story of Suraj and Isha has reached its biggest turning point yet. Whether this painful goodbye becomes their final separation or the beginning of a stronger reunion is something only the upcoming episodes will reveal. Until then, viewers can expect non-stop drama, emotional moments, surprising twists, and powerful revelations that will keep everyone eagerly waiting for the next episode. What are your predictions? Do you think Isha made the right decision by removing the Mangal Sutra and leaving Suraj's house? Or do you believe Suraj is sacrificing everything to protect the people he loves? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates and upcoming twists from Pati Brahmachari.